I want to talk about this folding chef knife that TACRAY sent me to do a video on. First of all, taking a look. Initially, the presentation is exceptional. If you're looking to give this as a gift for Father's Day or Christmas or birthday, anything, it's going to be a great option. Taking a look right here for the first time, I'm impressed with how small it is, but how big it cuts. We'll get to that later. You can see right there, chef's knife design, and it folds in half. Right there, it's got the pivot screw to close it. So this is going to be very easy to travel around. Obviously, it's going to be absolutely perfect for camping. This is going to be absolutely perfect for anyone who likes to go hunting or fishing. Like if you'd like to do any cooking out in the wild, it's going to be great. And I'm not out in the wild, but I want to put it through its paces and try it for the first time. Doing tacos tonight, need to make up some fixings to go with the tacos, and not one problem whatsoever. This thing cuts very nicely. It's made of high carbon stainless steel and it clearly holds an edge and it's very sharp. And everything I put it through, got some jalapenos here, not one problem whatsoever. So who's this going to be good for? I'd say anyone who likes to go camping, anyone who likes to go outdoors, it's going to be exceptional. Like I said, you fold this up, you put it in a backpack or whatever you're traveling with, and it's going to be very easy, very maneuverable. It's not going to take up a lot of space. So camping, hiking, without a doubt, this is going to be perfect. And you can see right there, it's had no problem whatsoever cutting up whatever I put in front of it. And we're ready for tacos tonight, without a doubt. Everything looks fantastic. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this knife, both in the home and out in the woods.